Welcome to Eco Straw House. We're here today and we're having foundation work done. As you can see, a lot of the parging has actually come off. I guess the snow over the winter got underneath it and then froze and popped it all off. So there's areas that are off and areas that are still stuck on. And what we're doing here is I've got Chris Jackson from Newrooms doing the reparging of the entire foundation. So we'll watch him do a bit of his parging in a minute. So day 2 of the parging of the foundation here at Eco Straw House, and the first coat has dried. Some of the areas needed the old parging taking off, and then new right down to the insulation parging putting on with the lath. I don't know if you can see it there. It's a fabric sort of mesh that is put over top, and then this first coat was put on, which has now dried, and Chris Jackson will be here soon now to finish off and put in the second coat, which will finish it off. He has actually finished some second coats at the front, and we're going to walk around now and have a look at that. He's had to put some new parging right here with the new mesh. You can just see that there. Quite easy to do from a point of view of not having to move any earth away from the foundation. It's just these chips that are back here. So we'll catch up with you again in a moment.
Okay, right, so what we're doing today is we're putting a base coat on first today of EDS, which is Durock material, and then tomorrow we're going to be putting the top coat on medium to fine Durock finish. So yeah, that's basically it.
So we're going over the stuff that's okay, and then we're going to reparge where it's come away.
That's absolutely right. We're putting the proper tape over the cracked areas. It's always going to sound hollow due to the insulation that's behind it. You're never really going to eliminate that, but we're certainly going to try and eliminate all the cracking.
Good. This is the final coat of Durock, which has a marble fine base top coat, and it's got resin in it to give it some protection from water, damp, etc. And it looks fabulous, as you can see.